Where is this money coming from?
Number one, the money that we anticipate to borrow, which is called the deficit, has come down drastically. Last year, the deficit was 860 billion, which was on the books. When we reported to work in terms of the budget committee, we realized there was an extra 200 billion that had been spent off books. So the deficit then was 1.1 trillion. We have brought that down to 718 because we want to continue on emancipating our country from the chains of our borrowing. Where this money is coming from, we have budgeted to borrow 80% of that money domestically and 20% of it from foreign sources, basically because we don't want to expose our borrowing to the vagaries of the international market. International markets, financial markets have been very erratic, and especially given the fact that the United States Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates every other time they meet. So we didn't want to expose ourselves into those vagaries that are beyond our control. That is why we are looking more inward than outwards.
Also to confirm